Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's lipstick swatch video, review, and quick tutorial, I'm going to be reviewing the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in the shade Sandalwood Beige. In my personal opinion, I would describe this shade as a warm chestnutty brown nude, and this is a cream finish. They do have other finishes. They have pearl, matte, and sheer, but this is my personal favorite finish, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick tutorial and line my lips with the Kylie Cosmetics Ice Latte lip liner first and then go in with this, but I do want to talk about it. This is a drugstore lipstick, so you can find it at all the drugstores. You can find it at Ulta, you can find it on their website. So the price ranges from around $4.99 to $8.99. There are deals everywhere. Right now, this shade in particular can only be found at Rite Aid for some reason, but it does retail for $6.29 there, and you get 0.15 ounces of product. Now let's go ahead and talk about it. This lipstick provides lightweight color and moisturizing shine. It's formulated for superior comfort. It has light reflecting liquid shine complex, and it contains Abyssinian oil, which delivers shiny radiant color, as moisturizing formula with vitamin E and avocado oil, which conditions the lips without dragginess. It has buildable color payoff, and it's gliding smooth application, which I definitely agree with all of the statements. This lipstick has been super comfortable to wear. It feels amazing on the lips. It's very moisturizing. I have dry to normal lips, so I have been super enjoying this. I do recommend this, especially the cream finish. So that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this swatch review and quick tutorial on this shade Sandalwood Beige by Revlon. If you want to see other shades, go ahead and comment down below, or like this video, or even subscribe to my channel, and you will get to see that. I'll go ahead and list other things I want to say about this product down below in the description box, but that was my video, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye guys.